an image that's a little too small. Pretend this is a cell phone, you're scrolling down. Oh, that's too small. How do I make that larger? Well, what you have to do is give it a little room. Start at the bottom and get yourself some new room, more room, so that there's room to make this larger. If that helps at all. That looks pretty good. I mean, it's a smidge off.
And Ivan said, you got to change the grid. I'm like, well, I'm not going to mess with the grid.
Um, yeah, to change the grid, you can go over here. But I like there gap, there's something called gap, and this one is what you have, which is good. This one extends it, puts space
Oh,
around, and I don't like that. So I think the no gap is better. This one has no gap, and this one has a little bit of gap around these squares right here.
okay. Because we still have a little gap, and that's enough right here. What we have, like a quarter of an inch or something.
Yeah. Now, what I want to do then is move this up a little. Right now, there's one grid space
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
So we can just move this up a little. And then, oh, this one looks like it should move up also. And this one too. So basically, to get yourself more room, to make a image larger, you got to give it more space.
Yep. And you do that by dragging, or there was like a little three-line thing down here.
It's by dragging the things at the bottom, going from the bottom up
Okay.
and dragging them down. And then, fine tuning it once you get it the size you want. Now it looks like there's a little bit of extra space under the last one.
Mhm.
So I'm going to move this up. So now there's not all that space.
Oh, so then I'll have the connections to the social media stuff. I
Yeah.
see.
So that often happens when you move things around, you get extra space. So you just have to move that arrow up
Okay.
to get that box, that section box a little tighter. So
Perfect.